What's up, kids? Alright, so just lowballed some guy on eBay. Managed to get the Dragon's Dogma Dark Arisen expansion with expansion for 13 bucks, free shipping. So that's cheaper than that old one we got on EB Games, because that one was like 15 with tax and everything. So we're gonna take it back right now and then get our money back, and we saved like $2. So that's pretty sweet, and get the expansion and everything, and probably here pretty soon because it was in Canada. So there you go. That's the start of this day. This is the start of this vlog. It's gonna be a good one, kids. Alright. What's up, kids? Back on daily vlogs. We're just going on a walk to that Beaven Park again. Yeah, just friggin', we just both played computer games for like 3 hours, so we were sick of it. And now, yeah, we're gonna walk. So we stayed up till like 3 a.m. or something last night. I was playing Diablo and Soap's playing Sims. So that's pretty screwed up. It was daylight savings change, so it was really only 2 a.m. but still. Anyways, and then we got up, and you know what we did? We kept playing right away. That's pretty twisted. Alright, so just ate some butter rice. It's like rice with a bunch of butter in it. It's pretty good. Feeling my stomach hurts a little bit, but you know, whatever. Just been working on this side job. I'm designing this logo for this website. It's like a heart, it's a wings and stuff, so I'm working on that. Might get paid like $100 for that, 100 something maybe. Other than that, I'm gonna keep working on these designs, and then I might take a nap. Take a little nap. Also, beat Diablo 3 with my Broly yesterday. Beat the final boss of the expansion. Forget what his name is. Mephisto or something. Aside from that, sup, kids? Alright, so here's my setup now. Just about to jump into I just heard the Manchild King sound. I better go check this out. Sup, kids? Alright. So, what's going on out here? This is weird. Sold our hamster stuff, all our old hamster stuff, for $10. Pretty sweet. So we're still gonna get rid of all this old stuff, and yeah, I don't know. I got a bill from my boss. Look at that, eh? Here we go. I gotta pay friggin' this $310 to him. There you go. Isn't that nice? Okay, so see this glove? This is my Wacom drawing glove. It allows your hand to slide on the tablet screen. It doesn't get all smudged up. So yeah, I'm just doing these designs. I'll show you guys a little bit of them here. Just hang on a second. Alright, there they are. I freaking hate Hotmail. Like, it's horrible. So laggy and slow. I'm just trying to reply with a message in it. Like, so slow. I can't even send an email, a freaking email. What the hell's the problem with it? Sending emails like the most simple thing you do with the friggin' internet. What's wrong with it? So it's finally working out. It took like 5 minutes to load up. What's up? Doing some drawing. Show you guys what I drew, I guess. Some kind of alligator.
Banana macadamia nut fudge cookies. Now we've got a cup of raisins, 1 cup of walnuts, 1 cup of raisins, a cup of bananas. So people might think, oh, that's all fruit. You know, let's do a caloric breakdown. Okay, my intention here today is to educate. Cancer, heart disease, osteoporosis, depression,
Alright, kids, just about to eat some pine, so I've cut up some pine for us. Here you go. Next. 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 Look what I was drawing.
That's amazing.
What? You like that? Next. Ooh, they're eating like sick Chinese food. And pizza. Chicken balls, french fries, and pizza. There you go, kids. Stick to the pine myself. Oh yeah, where was I? Next. Mmm. As long as it doesn't have fat in it. I hate fat now, kids. Did you see those french fries and pizza? Next. A friggin' fan art just got famous. He does fan art and it's like famous for doing fan art. There you go, kids. That's crazy. Go ahead and do some fan art, MCK. Comment it down below. That would be nice. Where was I? Next. Okay, kids. The thing you might not know about pineapples is pineapples kill parasitic worms. So, if you think you might have parasitic worms, start drinking some pineapple juice, start eating some pineapple fruit. You know what? It'll kill those little buggers. Oh, I dropped my pineapple. Damn. That was the sweetest plum, too. You might rinse it off and try to eat it. Pretty hawkish, isn't it? Hawk nosing has huge owl eyes. I'm like a bird hybrid, kids. Rate, hint, subscribe to this bird hybrid. Next. Next. Mm-hmm.